welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I am so excited because it is going to be a bedroom slash glam room tour. You all know, if you've been watching for a while, we are slowly but surely decorating our house, updating our space, and we've been having such a good time doing so. And we are finally starting to complete a lot of rooms in our house. And the bedroom slash glam room is one of those places. Today, I'm pretty much gonna walk you through our bedroom, the glam room, and show you what we've done to the place, as well as sprinkle in some throwback clips in there. And I'm really excited about it. So I'm not gonna make this intro long. If you wanna see our completed bedroom, the completed glam room, and how we got to where we are now, then please just keep on watching. Okay guys, so when you first walk in, the first thing that you see is our entryway table and artwork and actually a whole bunch of decor happening over here. This side of the room has changed so many times. I feel like it has changed with the wind. Wherever the wind blew is how I switched this up, but I'm really happy with how this currently looks. We have battery operated candlesticks as well as a art light above there. You might be noticing a black cord. We actually have our baby monitor back there. I just kind of have it hidden just because like I don't need it out. And honestly, we're getting to the point where we don't even really use it that much, but it's still back there. So moving along, this side of the bedroom, we have our gallery wall. I absolutely love this. It just has really special pictures from when we first moved in, when we went to New York, just family pictures all up against this wall. And I think it looks really nice. I love the tone of wood. I love that all the pictures are black and white, so it matches in the space. And I just think that these frames are the perfect size. We have a lot of them. We had a lot of wall to work with. So I really wanted to make sure we utilize the space and add some sentimental family pictures. Now, moving across our bed setup, we have these two nightstands. These nightstands are it's like a crocodile skin. I completely forget the name. I don't know why, I'm like drawing a blank. This to me is like a timeless material, a timeless color. I definitely wanted the room to feel light and airy, but I also knew that I had to have some contrast in there or else it would just look too sterile and like untouchable with all the white. So I feel like this like gray tone is perfect. It just has the gold handles that matches the gold lamp over here. We just added a couple little decor pieces over here. And yeah, you guys, it's just very tonal. It matches very cute. So same with our bed. We actually got a whole bedroom set, which normally I wouldn't gravitate towards. I wouldn't really like that vibe. I'm not the biggest fan of having matching nightstands, matching dresser, matching bed, but I feel like it works. And I feel like the bedding on here is just kind of like disheveled, very fluffy, very effortless. And I think that complements the neatness and precision of like the nightstands, the bed, everything is very like elegant. So I wanted the bedding to feel very effortless, and it just feels more comfortable. In front of the bed, we have these swivel chairs. I love these chairs. I have two kids and they can get pretty messy. Actually, Briella the other day drew on this chair with marker. I was panicking because I knew this video was coming up, but it came out really nicely. And yeah, it's just a really great fabric. It's not high performance. It's not meant to withstand stains and things like that, but it still came up really nice and you cannot tell. It was an orange marker and it's like orange wear. Like you can't even see where the marker stain was. And I just really like these and I love the brown base. I just think they add a little bit more of that casual vibe to the room, especially because we have a lot of pieces that are very like elegant and classy. This kind of makes it feel a little bit more casual. Same with the rug. This is a jute material rug. I will link this. I'm gonna link everything down below. You know, we went through a couple of different rugs in here. Actually, I think only we had one other rug and then this one. I love this one. This material, this jute material is perfect if you have little ones and they make a mess, if they like spill something. It is very forgiving. And yeah, so over here, I just have my alarm clock. It's actually a Hatch alarm clock, which is technically for babies, but I like it. I like sleeping with the white noise. It's just really nice. You can set alarms. It lights up. It like gently wakes you up to like birds chirping. It's just very nice. And then I have that same like faux tree stems over here. chandelier, just like I have over on this side as well. So some matchy moments. And then the chandelier, I love. I just wanted something very simple and not too busy, just very airy and light for the bedroom. And I feel like this is perfect. It is a like glam chandelier without being too much. Like it's just really pretty and lightweight. And yeah, I like it. So moving over here, this mirror, this is, I guess, the newest addition, I think, to the bedroom. I love it. It is huge. It is 7 feet tall. I don't know if the camera is really doing it justice, but it is ginormous. When we first got it, I was so hesitant. It took me a while to like actually fall in love with it because it was so big. And I was like, I don't know, this is black, it's so bold, but I really love it now. Like this is the moment right here with the frames in the background. I just knew I wanted something on this wall that was gonna be very grand, reflective, and I just think we achieved that. And I think it's very pretty. I love the details on here. It really gives me kind of like an antique vintage vibe, which in the room is not the vibe at all. It's just very, like I said, classy, airy, and bright, but I feel like it works. There's something about this mirror that just works in the space and I love it. So moving on to the other side of the bedroom, we have our TV. This is a frame TV. Oh my gosh, every single tour, I forget to turn the frame on. Hold please. Oh my gosh. Who in the world? Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to film and I hear a knocking on my window. Rob, what are you doing? I'm done with Rob. Really? You're just cleaning up? Okay, be careful. Rob, please be careful. Okay, oh my gosh, y'all, I cannot, never a dull moment over here. Okay, so this is the dresser with the zebra print art on our TV. I love it. I love this frame TV. I always get questions, where did you get that zebra art? Guys, it's not art, it's actually a TV, but you can put different pictures on here to make it look like art. It's gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. So again, like I said, we got a matching set of our bedroom furniture. I just added some decor from HomeGoods and Target up at the top. I have a candle lit, and then this is the newest addition. This tree over here is the newest addition to the bedroom, and I absolutely love it. I have a Target basket down there, and I think it looks really nice. Our walls are huge, as you can tell. I mean, I have a 7-foot mirror, a 9-foot tree. So I just had to get things that were super tall to kind of fill up the space, but also make it cozy. Because the room is so big and so tall, it can feel very like bare and empty quickly. So I knew I just had to get taller pieces. So if we move over here, this is the glam room. I absolutely love this glam room. I mean, I call it a glam room, but it's still an addition to our bedroom. Technically, it's called a sitting area, but it's my glam room. So this is where I come to do my makeup. This desk right here, I bought this desk before we even moved into the house, and I'm just still obsessed with it. I love how obviously glam it is. I love the legs on this. She was pretty pricey, but so worth it. Like this to me is a timeless piece. It's not like trendy. It's just always gonna be like a classic beauty in my opinion. And I just have my makeup in here. This is where I store it. I get ready every day here. And I have my makeup brushes in these like glam brush holders over here. I actually think that's technically for pens, but I put my brushes in them. And then I have this little acrylic stand. If I'm filming on stories, I put my phone here, but on an everyday basis, I just charge my Apple Watch. And then this IKEA mirror I've had since Brooklyn, since we lived in Brooklyn, New York. I had this mirror. She is never gonna leave me. I absolutely love it. This mirror is perfect to me because it's silver, but it also pulls kind of gold and warm in some lights, like depending on how you look at it. And I think it's just beautiful. So I have all of my beauty blenders in this little container here, another candle, and this over the top glam mirror. I'm a glam girl, girly girl at heart. So I just had to have this. This is just my area, my like fun area. And I think it's just very pretty. The lighting is being crazy. Let's move on. So I just have this lamp down here. This originally was in my office. I brought it up here. It's a HomeGoods find. And then I have a olive tree in a home goods basket and then a spotlight behind there. I just love adding spotlights behind trees. I actually need to add one over here as well. Then I just have this like super glam chair, a little blanket. You might be thinking, why is there a pillow down there? This is where I meditate. I love meditating down here because it's like a little cozy corner, literally. So I just sit there and meditate and I just feel so like, I don't know, it's like comforting to be like surrounded, in my opinion, when I'm meditating. I don't know, it could just be me. Let me know if you feel the same way. But like I couldn't meditate like in the middle of an open floor. Like I would be like looking around like, I don't know, I just feel safe over there to meditate. So then I just have my curtains, very simple. And then if you move over on this side, we have our frames from our wedding. Our wedding was featured in the Knot magazine. I was gonna say a long time ago, but obviously like when we got married, and I framed our magazine feature and I put them in frames and I think it looks incredible. So we have a cord there. You're probably thinking, where does that lead? I will link the closet makeover that we did. We have an IKEA system with lights, very, very pretty. I'll link that, and that's why it's plugged in here because there's no socket in there. So maybe I can add that to the list of the next thing that we do is like add a socket into the closet, but it is what it is. Then you come over here, I just have a home goods mirror, and yeah, I just really like this. I can see my outfit. I get ready over here, do my makeup, go in there, get dressed, and then come over here, check my outfit, make sure I'm good for the day. We have some pampas grass over here. The kids play with this so much that they kind of got bent like in a weird way, but I don't mind. Actually, that looks kind of nice. So I have it in this vase down here, and then we have our vacuum, and that's pretty much it as far as the glam room. Oh, I'll talk about the light fixture. So this is the light fixture up here. Love it, very simple. I knew I wanted something mounted, or I guess it's like flush to the ceiling because we have a hanging chandelier here. I didn't want two hanging ones and I just wanted something very simple. There's crystals at the end and I think it just looks really, really nice. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. I'll give an overview of our bedroom and glam room. I think it looks incredible. I'm so proud of this. We have come such a long way decorating this room, honestly decorating all the rooms in our house. And I think this bedroom turned out so nice. I love coming in here like after a long day and getting cozy and comfy, lighting a candle, cuddling up in bed, reading one of my books. I forgot to mention that. Yeah, all my books are down there. And yeah, I just absolutely love it. And I'm just so happy with how everything turned out. So yeah, you guys, that is the bedroom tour. That's how we went from a completely blank, plain room to something that I absolutely love calling mine. And yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and the completed glam room, the completed bedroom, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.